So today is day 77. Tomorrow I weigh in. I got the class done this morning at 5 a.m. and felt rejuvenated. I kind of yesterday took stock and reevaluated and just kind of thought about, what it is I want to accomplish again. I think part of the issue is, as you set goals, but they're very far in the future. I mean, 365 days is a long time. And so gradually you kind of lose a little bit of the motivation only because you set that goal a long time ago and you're really motivated when you start. And so when you kind of get away from that, I think it's important to kind of, think about why you're doing this, what the original reasons were. I went back and watched my first video, which, I think basically says all of it. But then also now I have all these people following me, and so I don't want to disappoint them, and I want to, continue to show what, I can accomplish and I can get done. And so I just think that really helped because, like I say, over time, it's easy to kind of go back into a malaise or whatever you want to call it and just kind of forget the reasons why you're trying so hard. Because it's not easy. I mean, it is tough to get up and eat healthy, and when other people around you are maybe eating like delicious looking things, and you try to make healthy choices. I mean, it's never that easy. So anyway, I think that really helped. So I felt great this morning. I got it done at 5 a.m. And also I think I'm going to get back on a bike and do like a 20-minute workout this evening because I'm feeling pretty good. So I mean, that's really, I think really good to maybe every once in a while just to just reevaluate and take stock and just think about why you're doing the things you're doing. So, and maybe your goals change, right? So, that's why it's important maybe every month or 2 months to just think on why you're doing the things you're doing. So anyway, there was someone asked me about my diet. I've mentioned it in a few videos. I don't talk about it every day because these videos take forever if I just mention things I already mentioned before. But in general, I just try to eat 1,800 calories a day is the goal. Now, I've been a little bit higher than that recently, but the goal is 1,800 calories. And typically, I'm not very hungry if I eat nutritionally healthy foods and vegetables and things like that. One of the issues I've had recently is as you start eating a little more sugar, you start to crave more sugar. So it's really easy to not eat sugar if you've just not done it recently, right? But then as soon as you start eating a little bit of sugar, next thing you know, you want more sugar. So I'm gonna kind of, because I just took stock of where I'm at and reevaluated, I'm gonna get back to just, doing the things I was doing, and I was doing really well early on. But tomorrow we weigh in. I have someone coming over and they're gonna shoot the class. So, I'm not gonna post a 45-minute video, but maybe we'll edit 45 minutes down to 10 minutes. So we'll see how this works. So hopefully I can kind of capture some of my thoughts during the class and give a better idea of kind of how it works. So anyway, hopefully see some decent results tomorrow, but if not, it's not the end of the world. But we're gonna keep working towards our goal of becoming healthy and losing all this body fat, or not all of it, but a lot of it. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.